Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to restore the Microsoft Store if it is missing in Windows 11. First, let us check if the Microsoft Store is still installed but just not visible. Click on the Start menu and type Microsoft Store using your keyboard. If you see Microsoft Store in the search results, it means the app is already on your system. Right-click on it. From here, you can choose Pin to Start so it appears in your Start menu. You can also click Pin it to the taskbar. This makes it easier to open the store later without searching again. If the Microsoft Store does not appear in search, then it may need to be reinstalled. For this step, you will use PowerShell with admin rights. Right-click on the Start button and select Terminal Admin or Windows PowerShell Admin. When the window opens, copy and paste the first command that removes the Microsoft Store for all users. Press Enter and wait for it to finish. After this command runs, restart your computer. This step is important, so do not skip it. Once your system starts again, open Terminal Admin or PowerShell Admin one more time. Now paste the second command that re-registers and reinstalls the Microsoft Store. Press Enter and let the process complete. It may take a few moments. When the command finishes, close the window and open the Start menu. Search for the Microsoft Store again. It should now be restored and ready to use. Thanks for watching.